In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OpenArt to create AI art. Open your browser and head to the OpenArt homepage. You'll land on a gallery filled with examples. Take a moment to hover your mouse over any image. This reveals helpful details, like the kind of prompt and model used, which is great for understanding how wording and settings influence the final look. When you're ready to make your own piece, click Create Image to open the editor. On the left panel, you'll see a switch control that lets you choose the model or character. This selection shapes the overall aesthetic and capabilities. For instance, a photoreal model tends to excel with lifelike portraits, while stylized or anime-focused models are better for bold, illustrative results. If you're unsure, try a model that matches the mood or genre you're aiming for, and adjust later if needed. Next, pick an art category. This helps organize recommendations and keeps your choices aligned with the type of artwork you want, whether it's illustrations, concept art, or something more cinematic. Choose a style preset you like. Styles give you a strong starting point, guiding color, texture, and composition tendencies. You can always refine the look afterward, but a preset can speed up getting to a result you love. Now, write your prompt in the text box. Be clear and specific. Include the subject, setting, mood, lighting, and composition cues. Short descriptive phrases separated by commas work well, like dramatic lighting, soft focus background, high detail. Pull inspiration from the gallery prompts you previewed earlier, and focus on what matters most rather than piling on unrelated descriptors. Adjust the output size to match your use case. Select an aspect ratio such as square, portrait, landscape, or cinema. Square is versatile for social posts. Portrait suits posters and character art. Landscape works for banners and environments, and cinema fits widescreen thumbnails or scenes. Decide how many images to generate using the slider or by entering a number. More images mean more variety, but they also take longer and may consume additional credits. A small batch is a good way to compare options without overcommitting. When everything looks right, click Create. You'll see a brief processing state. Just wait while OpenArt generates your results. Once the images appear, you've successfully created your AI art with your chosen model, category, style, prompt size, and image count. From here, you can note what worked best and keep exploring combinations to refine your creative style.